Are you applying for a charge account?
Yes. How long will it take for approval?
Only a few weeks. Have you filled out the application form yet?
Not entirely. I'm not a U.S. citizen. My bank and previous charge accounts are all abroad. What should I do?
I don't think there'll be a problem. Just write down the name and number of your accounts at home. We'll let our credit office work out the details.
Is there a charge to use the card?
There's no charge for the card itself. You pay a small amount of interest on the remaining balance at the end of each month.
Is there a limit on what I can charge?
We'll start you off with a $1,200 maximum. If your credit history is good and you need to increase your line, we can usually do it.
Great. When can I start using it?
We should have approval within 10 days. Where shall we mail your card?
To this address. I'm having all my mail forwarded to my attorney's office while I'm out of town.